Hey you guys, so I'm back with another episode of Trading with the Process. So today's video, I'm going to quickly break down what a break and retest trade looks like because this is one of the main setups I take. First, I identify the overall trend. As we see here, that's very important. That's always the first step that you do when looking at the charts is to identify the trend, which way the market is trending. So as you see here, we're going in a slight downtrend. The trend has reversed. Sorry, y'all. Okay. As you see, the market was trending up right here. It was going up, 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 up. Now here is where the trend reversed, and now we're in a downtrend right here. Downtrend. We're going down. All right. So yeah, first you identify the overall trend. I'm not trying to trade against the market. I want to move with the momentum at all times. Next, I wait for the price to break a key level. Here is my key level. My supply zone is right here. I already have it drawn out. And we can draw a support as well, such as demand zone. We gonna put that right here. All right, so this here, demand. Demand, and this is our supply. Bam. So yeah, we have our supply and demand zone marked out, right? So the important part is that the important part is that price closed strongly beyond one of these key levels, right? But I do not enter on the break. So as you see right here, as you see right here, we broke above our supply zone with a bullish engulfing candle. You do not enter right when the break hits. Do not enter right when the break hit. Why? Because you always want to wait until you have to wait and see if it's going to hold above the supply zone. So what you do here, once it break above the zone, you wait for a pullback, and as you see it pull back into the zone, and then once the pullback is completed, then you enter on the continuation, which is right here. It continue up, all the way up. But here, a slight little consolidation right here, and to the upside it goes. And you could have entered, right? I would have entered possibly on this candle here when this candle closed. Why? Because here it broke above, slightly above the previous high, which is right here. But yeah, I would enter right here on this candle. This candle right here. And again, you do not enter on the break. Why? Because this is where most traders make mistakes. They chase the move instead of waiting for confirmation. Instead, again, you wait for price to come back and tap your zone, this level, your supply level. And if that level holds and I see confirmation, that's where I look for entry on the continuation. Right. So yeah, the retest tell me that the old level has now, this old level here has now turned into our demand, or you can say our support zone. The retest tell me that the old level has now, this is the old level, has now turned into a demand or a support or resistance, and that the move has a higher probability of continuing to the upside. No retest, no trade. That one rule alone keeps me out of a lot of bad entries. Trading isn't about catching every move, it's about waiting for the clean ones. And yeah, I hope this resonated with you all. And if you guys want to stay up to date with me and my trading journey, subscribe and join my free Telegram. Until then, bye, you guys.